up the rust a ladder to my sanctuary, leaving all the city noise a heavy weight to carry. Golden hour hits the bricks and the skyline turns to gold, a story in the making that never has been told. Oh, in this high altitude silence I can breathe, away from all the things I used to believe. Just a moment on the roof, feeling high, feeling free. The golden hour sanctuary is just for me. Just for me. I squint against the sun, let the smoke curl in the breeze. Everything below me is a blurred and messy tease. A silver lining on the clouds, a quiet place to stay. I'm watching all the shadows as they start to melt away. Oh, in this high altitude silence I can breathe, away from all the things I used to believe. Just a moment on the roof, feeling high, feeling free. The golden hour sanctuary is just for me. High above the noise, high above the fear, everything is sharp, everything is clear. Everything is clear. High above the noise, high above the fear, everything is sharp, everything is clear.